What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and we have another one. So I previously did the iPhone 13 Pro silicone cases, but tons of people saying, yo, why didn't you do the leather cases? Let us see the leather cases. So we have it today. All right, so we have 5 new cases. Apple dropped 5 and they look decent, nothing too crazy. It's still kind of dull from Apple. So I have purple, green, a dark purple, and also black, and this golden brown. So the actual names on them, this one is called Wisteria. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this purple right here is called Wisteria. The green is called Sequoia Green. This dark purple is called Dark Cherry. Then we also have this one, which is called Midnight, which is the black, and then golden brown right here. So as usual, guys, I always do a giveaway, so I got you. If this video hit 1,000 likes, I will be doing a giveaway, and by when iPhone releases on Friday or so, that's when I'll be picking the winners. So super simple. Get this video to 1,000 likes. Make sure you follow me on my socials right here, Instagram and Twitter. And then comment down below what case you'd like, and also your Instagram handle so I could reach out to you. Even if you don't want the leather cases, hold on. Remember, I previously did the silicone cases. So if you want the silicone cases, you could go ahead and watch that video, enter the giveaway before this Friday, and you'll be entered to win. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro leather cases. All right, so as usual, guys, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a puppy by his toe. If you ever let him go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, so we'll be unboxing this one, which is the Wisteria. The first one. Let's put all of this to the side. Let's go. So this is it. Simple unboxing, no paper wrapping over it or anything. You just need to slide up, or is it down? Yeah, I think we just push up. There we go. And it reveals the case. Feels like plastic leather, but it's called Wisteria. But one thing a lot of people are asking, can you put the iPhone 12 into it? So I'm just show you guys that real quick. This is the iPhone 12 Pro right here, guys. Let's take a good look. No MagSafe animation when you pop it in, as you guys can see. But in terms of does it fit? No, it doesn't. It has a way bigger camera cutout for the 13 Pro, so the 12 fits, but the buttons also doesn't align. You can't really tell here, but right now, as you can see, it's calling emergencies, and yeah. So it doesn't fit. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people wanted to know that. But yeah, this is the purple one. Now let's go ahead and put our iPhone 13 dummy mock-up inside so you guys can see what it looks like. Boom. There we go. So when you get your iPhone 13 this Friday, guys, this is what it would look like with the leather one. I think this one is pretty cool. One thing we have to acknowledge is the aluminum or the metal buttons that they have compared to the silicone case, which is just rubber. This is a very nice touch. Feels very premium. At the bottom, we have good cutouts for the lightning connector and also the speaker and microphone grills. On this side, we have that nice purple finished aluminum buttons. Again, feels cold to the touch. We also have the insertion for the ringer switch, which is kind of hard to press. It's kind of hard to get in there. You probably, if you have nails, it would be probably even more challenging, I'm not sure. We'll have full coverage at the top. And then of course, the camera lens. We have this hard, very hard plastic that wraps around it, which I touched on my previous video. But overall, the cases feel nice. It's not very squishy. It feels good. And then of course, inside we have that soft lining right here. Very nice. MagSafe works. So if you have like MagSafe products, for example, this MagSafe charger right here, and you slap it onto it, as you guys can see, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, MagSafe, really cool technology. Love to see it. All right, so here we go. Now we have golden brown. Let's pop this up real quick. There we go. One of my favorites right here, guys. Golden brown. You can't go wrong with this one. So that's what it looks like. I call this one the Travis Scott brown. If you get the black iPhone 13 Pro, it will always look amazing. So just look at the lining in here. It just feels like Apple uses like this cardboard inside and then just wrap this leather around it, but that's what it looks like. And of course, with the leather cases, if you use them for a long period of time, it will start to form its own characteristics with the scratches and the wrinkles and all that. So that's why a lot of people like the leather cases. But for me personally, I just love how the silicone feels. But yeah, this is the gold one. Nice brushed aluminum buttons. this is what gets me every time. Feels very classy. Looking on over to the volume buttons as well, you can see the lighting and how the buttons like change and shines. Really nice, cold to the touch. Then of course under here we have the lightning connectors. But yeah, I'm just gonna speed run everything else. Let's take a good look at the lens again. Get the hard plastic. The Apple logo is like stamped in. Really nice. You have to let everybody know it's an Apple case, of course. Let's take a good look at it, guys. Very nice. But yeah, we have a couple here. I'm just gonna speed run through the unboxing and then I'll show you all the cases. All right, let's go. Ooh, there we go. Last 3 cases. I have to go with the black first because these two looks nice. I like the green so far. So this is the Midnight right here, guys. Very, very, very sophisticated. Very nice aluminum buttons are on the side. In terms of lip protection, I always recommend you guys get the screen protector, but we do have a little resivity here. Shout out to Flossy Carter. But if you're worried about scratching your screen and you have this case and you put it face down, definitely get the screen protector. There's not much protection on this case, guys. If you look to the volume buttons again, I can't really tell you guys how it feels, but I'm assuming it's gonna feel very tactile. Remember, this is a mock-up case, a mock-up iPhone, I should say. So the buttons don't really feel as how it's supposed to. You know what I mean? So I can't really comment on the cases, but I could already see wrinkles coming up on this case. If I like put my fingernail in there, you could see that mark. You guys can see that fingernail mark. So yeah, wear and tear is gonna show on this, of course. All right, the green one. I really like how this green looks. Guys, I'm not sure how you pronounce this. It's Sequoia Green. Please comment down below how you pronounce this thing. But it looks really nice. The contrast with the nice lining in here. The volume buttons, the power buttons look really nice. I can't probably pick this up. It looks way dark on camera, but in person you could actually see the green. It's a very nice green where I've not even seen. It's like a Gucci green. If you guys know the Gucci green, this one looks really good. You guys will see some shots of it outside as well. I'll make sure to give you guys outside shots this time so you guys can see what it looks like. I really want you guys to just make the right decision when it comes down to these cases for the iPhone, because I know it's kind of expensive and the colors, it's really hard to see and not a lot of people can get to go to the Apple store to see what it looks like. Next up, purple. This one is called Dark Cherry. So here we have the Dark Cherry. Take a good look at that. Same thing, same procedures all around. So at this point, you guys are just looking at the aesthetics. Plastic ring around the camera lenses there. Nice aluminum buttons. Look at the other side. Very shiny and nice. And it feels good. That's one thing I should say. It feels good. Now, in terms of the silicone case, let's do a quick comparison. If you guys want me to do a leather case versus silicone case, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, this is what it looks like side by side. The silicone case is to me, it feels way better in the hand, way more fun, way more flexible. The leather case just feels like it's too business-like for me, but either, it's a good bet. The leather case is more expensive as well. But yeah, these are the comparisons. As I was saying about the buttons, guys, the silicone case, you could see it has like a rubbery button, but the leather case, you have aluminum, which to me, feels a lot better. Feels very nice. But yeah, all right, guys, we just touched on all the leather cases for this year's iPhone 13. Oh yeah, and just so you guys know, the iPhone 13 Pro cases don't fit in the iPhone 13, as in it fits in terms of dimension wise, but the camera lens cutout doesn't work. Also, vice versa, if you get an iPhone 13 case and try to put it on the iPhone 13 Pro, the iPhone 13 camera lens cutout is way smaller, so it won't fit on the iPhone 13 Pro. So you just have to get case specific ones for your devices. All right, just keep that in mind before you go ahead and purchase. Let me know what you guys think. Is it team leather case or team silicone case for this year's iPhone 13? Also, don't forget, if you guys want to enter the giveaway when this video hits 1,000 likes, I will pick a winner. Also, comment down below your Instagram names. Follow me on socials right here in order to enter, and that's it. All right, so hopefully you guys come back next week for the iPhone 13 review and unboxing experience, all that good stuff. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.